Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Adobe Express for animation. So all you have to do is to log into your Adobe Express account, and then this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to go to Quick Actions and then tap Animate from Audio. Or you can also go to this plus icon here and then go to Quick Actions. And then here you have to scroll down and look for animate from video. Okay, so we have other options here too, but since our tutorial is all about animate from video, you just have to tap this animate from video here. Okay, so tap this one. So the very first thing to do is to look for the perfect character for your project. So as you can see here, we have three options: character, background, and size. So first, let's go to character. So there are tons of characters here for your project. Some characters here are for formal purposes and others are for just kids mostly. Okay, so you just have to scroll and look for the perfect character for you. If you want to make a creepy video, you can use this character right here. If you want to create a jolly video or something like that, you could choose this one. If you want situational or educational, you could choose humans, of course, if you want. Now, if to make it easier for you, you can simply tap category here and we have your options like all star, new, humans. Okay, so we have also here creatures, unique creatures, food. We have emojis and we have animals. So everything is here. You just have to select the correct character for your project, of course. Okay, so this time I want a normal character, for example, this one. So my story is about a guy or a person who will go to a restaurant. So this is what it looks like. Now, after that, you have to go to background and choose the best background for you. So we have tons of designs here for your background, and you just have to choose one. We have here for summer forest, we have here park, we have here festival, we have here beach, we have here summer forest. Okay, so it depends upon you. But also, same as character, you can go to category and choose the best background for you. Okay. And then once you found the one or the best background for your project, you can go to size. And then here, you can resize your project for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, or you can custom that. But for me, I want to do or create a story reels for my Instagram. So I had to tap Instagram and tap this story reels. Okay. So automatically the size of this video is for story reels. Okay, so tap this one. Now going back to your background, just in case you can't see the perfect background for your project here, you can simply click this upload image and make sure that you have downloaded the image or the background that you want to use for a project. Like what I mentioned earlier, I said that the scene is all about restaurant, okay, a guy in a restaurant. So I downloaded a restaurant picture earlier, and yeah, I set this as my background. Now, to record an audio, you can go to Adobe Podcast and then you can select any of the features here to enhance speech. We have here mic check and studio. So if you want to click this go to enhance speech, you just have to tap that one. If you want to record, you have to request access first. So I just want to record my voice using Adobe Express. Okay, but everything is up to you. If you want to use other tool like Audacity and other tools, you can use that and then imported file here. But for now, I want to use Record, or this time I want to use Record and I want to use Adobe Express for my voice recording. Okay, so here I changed my character because I realized that I'm a woman. So of course, I have to click or select a woman character here. So right now, I'm about to record my voice. And then after I finish, I have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then once done, you have to click download if you want, or you can just simply click or choose the open in editor and it will take you to Adobe Express. So this is the result.
Reservation for two under the name of Miss Pie. Hi, Alex. It's great to see you.
So once you're satisfied and okay with your voice recording, so all you have to do is open in editor. So I'm okay with my voice. I'm okay with everything. So I'll tap this open in editor and I will continue editing my project. So click this one and it will take you back to your Adobe Express account. Okay, so here you can simply add any features for your video. So let's just say if you want to add like a text, okay, you can just add it. But first, here you can simply drag, trim, split your video. You can even add a scene if you want, but you have to create another character first. It's like a conversation, something like that. So if you want a video or if you are going to make a video project about two persons or three persons, you can add scene if you want. Okay, but I don't want to do that. Okay, and you should toggle this one on. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can simply start adding text if you want. So let's just say Insta Reel, something like that. And I'm going to put it here down below. So you just have to edit the text, font, okay? You can add something like any unique effects for your font if you want. Okay, so we have your outline field. You can change the color if you want. We have your text layout. Okay, so once you're done with that, then all you have to do is to proceed to the next feature here. So if you want to add something like an object or image to your character, you just have to tap this media and then tap text to image and then kind of type whatever it is. For example, bag with a cap and then click generate and you will have options here. For example, I want to click this one, okay, because I think the character of the pet is not that really strong. Okay, and then click remove background. Then here it is. And then you can drag it anywhere you want. And you can even search for another image if you want to. So this is final for me. Okay, so I can drag it anywhere. Let's just say I'm holding my cat or I just want to put my cat down or my bag down here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can even add a more features here, elements here, designs here. You can add animation to your image. You can add animation to your font, even to your character if you want. Okay, you can add another character if you want. You can resize. You can add background color. Actually, you can explore anything here. As long as you haven't saved your project, you can edit everything here. Even your character, you just have to go back. Okay, so here's the output, and I'm sorry if I removed my cat. If you notice, I added audio, but I just want to delete it. Everything is up to you. You can add also if you want. So here it is.
Hi, Alex. It's great to see you. Have a seat. I already ordered some water for us. Not too bad. Just a bit busy with work. How about you?
Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.